Hello everyone, I'm a member in the team of the channel. A few days ago, I received a notice that my channel is disabled for monetizing. Channel is no longer monetizing with a reason that channel uses someone else's content without making changes that has significant value. So I made this video to prove that my channel does use other people's content. That is my channel and the reason why turning off my monetization. I'll take one of my videos as an example to demonstrate that all our videos on our channel are created and produced by us and we comply with YouTube's policy and guidelines. And now I will show you how we create a video on my channel. We need to have an idea for the video. From this idea, the screenwriter will create one detailed script. The stories in each video we create revolve around situations in children's daily life, teaching them about vehicles people are using, funny situations, lessons and tips to help them better after watching this video. And of course, we still follow YouTube's community guidelines and policy. Next, we come to the step of preparing props. Our team member will make environmentally friendly products by hand, which are very colorful and attractive to children. We use handmade ingredients such as cardboard, fresh fruit formats with striking colors to stimulate children's vision and help them recognize colors better. When props are ready, we move on to recording videos and animating more stop motion. This is here filming one scene for today's video. Outstanding image of characters and police car, fire trucks with daily light tasks. Next will be the post-production step to add effects like background music, visual effects, sound, doubling dialogues for the video. And to complete a video, we need a thumb. This is Hoài Anh. She designing an eye-catching thumb for children. Our thumb is armed with toy cars, very kid-friendly items, combined with basic bright colors suitable for audience. As you can see, all the videos on my channel are self-created, conceptualized and produced by us. We do not reuse anyone's content and my channel always adheres to YouTube monetization policies. And also, we put a lot of effort, a lot of people working together to be able to create a video. We also spend a lot of money to produce a complete video. So being monetized on the channels is the main source of income for us to pay for production cost. We will face a lot of difficulties if our channel will not be able to use monetization. We may have to stop production. A lot of people may face too many difficulties. I hope the YouTube team will reconsider the reason why our channel has stopped monetizing and restore the monetization function on my channel. Thanks for listening.